When you need a page number, title, or date on every page in your document, add a header or footer. To start, select Insert, and then select either Header or Footer. Select one of the built-in formats, and now the header or footer area will be editable. Then, type the text you want, and select Close Header and Footer to go back to editing your document. You'll notice that all of your pages have the same header and footer. If you want to make changes, double-click the header or footer area. Sometimes you might want your first page to be different. Maybe it's a title page. In Header and Footer Tools, Design, select Different First Page. Now you can make changes to your first page, and the header and footer will not be changed on the other pages. Finally, if you want to remove a header or footer, select Insert, Header or Footer, and then select Remove Header or Remove Footer.